Today is our first lesson on PL-900 Microsoft Power Platform. Before we start, I wanted to take the time to go over some of the changes, important changes made to the exam as of June 20th, 2025. If you go to the learn.microsoft.com website and search for this PL-900 study guide, you will see a summary of all the changes that's made to the latest exam, which is very important. As you can see, the exam has removed a lot of the capabilities of PI content on the exam. So we're not going to focus too much on that as we go through the lesson. It also has removed AI authoring experience in Microsoft Power Platform, capabilities of AI Builder, and describing the Microsoft Copilot Studio. I will touch base on that on the lesson one, but after that, we won't focus too much on that. Connectors has also been reduced or removed. The last time it was updated was June 2025, so we still have some time to study for the latest exam before they make some more changes. So we're pretty good. And this course has the latest study guides, which is great. Now we will start our first lesson, which is the first module training session. Describe the business value of Microsoft Power Platform. And remember, we are following along with our Microsoft.Learn Prepare for the Exam path, which is located on this site as well. So as you go through each of the training modules, we'll review it together and I'll post these videos in sequence as we start going through each of these modules. Okay, and I will be posting the other modules probably within another week or so. So stay tuned and make sure that you like and subscribe to this video so that you get the latest changes. Lesson one for the PL-900 Microsoft Power Platform. Today we'll be reviewing the lesson objectives, which maps to the exam objectives for PL-900. Starting with describing the business value of Power Platform services. In this module, we're going to focus on the exam objectives, which are explain the value of Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Pages. In addition, understand Dataverse, connectors, Copilot, and PowerX values. And we're also going to make sure that you apply these business scenarios that pertain to using Power Platform. As you go through the module, you'll see a lot of business cases on why we use Power Platform and the benefits that it provides to us as a business mission or company goal. Before we get started, we want to know, what is Microsoft Power Platform? It's a low-code, no-code platform from Microsoft. It enables users to analyze data, build solutions, automate processes, and create virtual agents. It's designed for business users and IT professionals. You can build apps, automations, websites, analytics, and AI solutions integrated with Microsoft ecosystem. If you're a developer like myself, over the years you've seen Microsoft products evolve, mainly because there were limitations with the existing products such as Excel, Microsoft Excel, given the complexity of integrating Excel with other applications. Now that we have Power BI, it's a low-code solution for beginner developers to actually stand up different analytics and business applications in a short amount of time, which probably would have normally taken months. It now can take days and weeks to actually provide an effective solution to integrate different dashboards and reports. And if you remember, years ago, we had to do a lot of development using macros and a lot of coding capabilities, where now we can use a much more lightweight coding solution using business um, data logic. And now that we have AI, we can simplify the process even more by writing prompts to actually deliver the code solutions for us. And we'll talk about that a little bit later in the lecture. Microsoft Power Platform contains four main components. The first one being Power BI, which is the business intelligence component. Gives us the ability to analyze and visualize data. Power Apps. When we think about Power Apps, these are the custom business applications that we use to improve our processes. Um, and it's also to actually communicate with other systems. So Apps is our business applications. And with the Power Platform, we do have some standard business apps that we can use out of the box. And we can also extend those apps to be more customized to our particular business operation. Power Automate, when we think about Power Automate, these are the workflows that we're going to use to enhance our business capability within our organization. And this is going to help us automate repetitive processes. So a lot of times workflows, you think about something triggering an event automatically when a specific action occurs. Power Pages is a low-code platform within the Power Platform for building secure external-facing websites. This allows organizations to create portals for customers or employees to access data, forms, and content. And there's a lot of features implemented with that. There are drag and drop features in the design. You can also integrate AI with it, and it has a deep connection to Microsoft Dataverse, which is our core database service. And it also can enable rapid development of data-driven sites for various needs, from simple informational pages to complex portals with user authentication and workflows. And there's a lot of predefined templates already built into it, so it's really a plug and play type of website development. Before we look at the individual tools like Power Apps or Power Automate, it's important to understand why Microsoft created the Power Platform in the first place and why organizations are investing in it. On the PL-900 exam, Microsoft is not testing your ability to build apps or write code. They are testing whether you understand the business value of the Power Platform and when an organization should use it. Microsoft Power Platform is a low-code platform designed to help organizations build solutions faster, automate work, and make better business decisions without relying entirely on traditional software development. The key idea here is speed and accessibility. Instead of waiting months for custom applications or complex integrations, organizations can use Power Platform to deliver solutions quickly, securely, and at a lower cost. The core business value one, as we see here, is increased productivity, one of the biggest business benefits of Power Platform. Employees spend a lot of time on repetitive manual tasks, things like approvals, data entry, and notifications. Power Platform allows organizations to automate these tasks, which frees employees to focus on higher value work. On the exam, when you see scenarios involving repetitive processes, manual workflows, time-consuming approvals, think about Power Platform as a productivity solution. The core business value number two, faster solution delivery. We talk about speed. Power Platform is a low-code solution, which means applications and automations can be built much faster than traditional software. This helps organizations respond quickly to business needs, reduce IT backlogs, and deliver solutions in days or weeks instead of months. The key idea here is that Power Platform helps organizations do more faster with fewer resources. Number three, cost savings. Power Platform delivers significant cost savings because it uses a low-code approach. Organizations don't need specialized developers. It also reduces the need for multiple third party tools because many capabilities, applications, apps, automation, analytics, and AI are already built into the Microsoft ecosystem. On the exam, if a question mentions reducing development costs, minimizing software licensing, lowering operational expenses, Power Platform is often the correct answer. Number four, empowering citizen developers. One of Microsoft's biggest goals with Power Platform is to empower citizen developers. What is a citizen developer? A non technical user who can create solutions using low code tools. This means business users can solve their own problems instead of waiting for IT developer to assist. Now, on an exam perspective, this is important because Power Platform empowers business users. IT still maintains governance and security. Innovation can happen across the organization. So, this balance between empowerment and control is a key PL-900 concept. And we want to keep in mind that Power Platform is a cloud based solution. Number five, seamless integration. It integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, which is your business application templates, and Azure, which is your cloud based solution. It also connects to hundreds of other services using connectors, which we'll talk about a little later in this course. This integration reduces complexity and allows organizations to build end-to-end solutions without heavy custom development. On the exam, and integration usually signals power platform value, especially when multiple systems need to work together. Number six, security and governance. Even though Power Platform empowers users, it does not sacrifice security. It uses Microsoft Enterprise Grade Security, Role Based Access, also known as RBAC, and data loss prevention policies. This allows organizations to scale solutions safely while maintaining compliance. Remember for the exam that Power Platform is business friendly and enterprise ready. Number seven, innovation in artificial intelligence. Generative AI features allow users to build apps, automations, and chatbots using natural language, reducing the learning curve and increasing adoption. On the exam, AI features usually point to faster development, better user experience, and increased productivity. Again, the focus is on business value, not technical implementation. If you remember nothing else for the PL-900 exam, remember this: Microsoft Power Platform helps organizations. It increases the productivity, reduce costs, delivers solutions faster, empower business users, integrate systems securely, and innovation with artificial intelligence. When you read a PL-900 exam question, always ask, what business problem is the organization trying to solve? Then choose the Power Platform answer that delivers the most business value with the least complexity. Now we're going to talk about the business value of Power Apps, which is a core concept on the PL-900 exam. Power Apps is Microsoft's low-code application platform that allows organizations to quickly build custom business apps without needing traditional software development skills. It allows users to create custom applications on web browsers, tablets, and mobile devices. These apps connect to existing business data and systems, allowing users to solve real business problems faster than traditional development methods. Power Apps is designed for business users, analysts, citizen developers, and IT professionals. The business value number one is rapid application development. One of the biggest business benefits of Power Apps is speed. Traditional application development can take months and require specialized developers. With Power Apps, organizations can create apps in days or even hours. This means faster response to business needs, quicker innovation, and reduced development backlog for IT teams. If you see a question about quickly building an app without coding, Power Apps is usually the correct answer on the exam. Business value number 2, low code, no code accessibility. Power Apps uses a low code approach, meaning users can build apps using drag and drop controls, pre built templates, simple formulas instead of complex code. This lowers the barrier to entry and empowers non developers, business users closest to the problem. Organizations benefit because more people can create solutions, less dependency on IT, and increased productivity across teams. Value number 3, integration with existing data. Power Apps integrate seamlessly with hundreds of data sources, including Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, SharePoint, SQL databases, and third party services through connectors. This allows businesses to reuse existing data, avoid data duplication, and create apps on top of systems they already own. Power Apps rarely stores data by itself, it connects to data. This is an important exam tip. Power Apps connects to data. Business value number 4, mobile ready business solutions. Power Apps makes it easy to create mobile friendly apps without extra development effort. Employees can enter data on phones or tablets, work remotely or in the field, access apps securely from anywhere. Examples include inspection apps, expense reporting, field service checklists, employee and onboarding apps. This increases work efficiency and flexibility. Business value number 5, improved process efficiency. Power Apps helps organizations digitize manual and paper-based processes. Instead of using spreadsheets, email, or paper forms, businesses can use structured apps, automated workflows, and real-time data validation. The result, you get fewer errors, better data quality, and faster decision making. This is a key business driver for adopting Power Apps. Number 6, security and governance. Power Apps is built on Microsoft's secure cloud platform and supports role-based access control, data loss prevention policies, and integration with Microsoft Entra ID, also known as Azure ID, Active Directory. This ensures that users only see what they're allowed to use. Data stays protected and IT maintains oversight without slowing innovation. Exam tip, Power Apps is both secure and governed, not a free for all. Number 7, cost efficiency. Power Apps reduces development and maintenance costs by minimizing custom code, reusing connectors and templates, reducing reliance on external developers. Organizations can get enterprise grade level apps at a lower cost, making Power Apps attractive for small businesses and large enterprises. How does Power Apps support digital transformation? It enables organizations to innovate faster, empower employees, modernize legacy processes, and build scalable solutions with minimal effort. This makes Power Apps a key driver of digital transformation within the Microsoft Power Platform. Power Apps is used to build custom business applications. It's low code, no code development. It connects to existing data sources. It supports mobile and web pages. It improves the overall productivity and innovation. If the exam asks how to quickly create a business app, think Power Apps. On the module one of the first lesson on Microsoft.Learn website, it gives you a business use case. Okay, we think about the self-service portals operating 24/7 to manage accounts and service requests. Without the Power Platform solution, there were a lot of manual tasks involved where you had to wait for the billing department to give you a quote. Sometimes the field engineer that's visiting the service location had to call back to the service desk to find out whether a particular device was operating or not, or if they had a specific part for the system in inventory. Now, with the Power Platform, you can control the inventory by collaborating that data across mobile devices. So if someone's in the field or at a remote location, they can connect from a tablet to the centralized database store and get that information in real time as far as the inventory, what's in stock, and that makes it overall more efficient than the manual tasking. Okay, so this is the business value of Power Apps, and we will move on to Power Automate next. Now we're going to discuss the business value of Power Automate, which is a key component of the Power Platform and also an important topic of the PL-900 exam. Power Automate helps organizations automate repetitive tasks and business processes, allowing employees to focus on higher value work instead of manual activities. It's a low-code automation service that allows users to create workflows called flows that automatically perform actions across applications and services. These workflows can be triggered by events, schedules, and user actions. Power Automate connects systems, moves data, and automates approvals with little to no coding. Business value number one, automation of repetitive tasks. One of the biggest benefits of Power Automate is eliminating manual repetitive tasks. Common examples include sending approval emails, updating records across systems, copying data between applications, and notifying users when conditions are met. By automating these tasks, organizations save time, reduce employee burnout, and increase consistency and accuracy. An exam tip to remember: if the question mentions automating repetitive or routine tasks, Power Automate is likely the answer. Business value number two, increase productivity. Power Automate significantly improves productivity by allowing workflows to run 24/7 without human intervention. This means processes run faster, tasks don't get forgotten, work continues outside business hours. Employees spend less time on administrative work and more time on strategic or customer focused activities. Business value number three, low code accessibility for everyone. Power Automate uses a low code, user friendly interface, making it accessible to business users, citizen developers, IT professionals. Users can build automations using pre built templates, drag and drop steps, and simple conditions. This empowers teams closest to the process to improve it themselves without waiting for IT. Business value number four, integration across systems and services. Power Automate connects to hundreds of services through built-in connectors. These include Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, SharePoint, Dataverse, and third-party applications like Salesforce, Twitter, and Dropbox. This allows organizations to break down data silos, ensure systems stay in sync, create end-to-end automated processes. Exam tip: Power Automate excels at connecting systems, and orchestrating actions. Business value number 5, streamline approvals and notifications. Power Automate is widely used to create approval workflows. Examples include expense approvals, vacation requests, purchase orders, document sign offs. Approvals can be sent by email, Microsoft Teams, mobile notifications, which results in faster decision making, better visibility into process status, and improved accountability. Approval automation is very common in the PL-900 scenarios. Business value number 6, improve accuracy and compliance. Manual processes are prone to human error. Power Automate improves accuracy by following predefined logic every time, validating conditions automatically, logging actions for auditing. Organizations benefit from more consistent outcomes, better compliance, reduced risk. This is especially valuable in regulated industries. Business value number 7, scalable and flexible automation. Power Automate workflows can be easily modified, reused across departments, scaled as business needs to grow. Businesses can start small, automating one task, and gradually expand automation across the organization without re engineering entire systems. Business value number 8, cost savings. Power Automate reduces costs by minimizing manual labor, reducing development effort, lowering operational inefficiencies. Organizations achieve higher efficiency with fewer resources, delivering strong return on investment. How does Power Automate support digital transformation? Power Automate plays a key role in digital transformation by automating legacy processes, connecting cloud and on premise systems, and enabling faster innovation. When combined with Power Apps, Dataverse, and Power BI, Power Automate helps organizations build end to end automated solutions. So, the key word here for the exam is Power Apps Automated Solutions. In summary, the key takeaways for Power Automate is used to automate workflows and processes. It reduces repetitive manual tasks. It increases productivity and accuracy. It integrates across many systems using connectors. It supports approvals, notifications, and scheduled flows. If the exam asks how to automate a process or workflow, think Power Automate. Now we're going to explore the business value of Power BI, business intelligence, Microsoft's business analytics service, and a key component of the Microsoft Power Platform. Power BI helps organizations turn raw data into meaningful insights, enabling better and faster decision making across the business. Power BI is a data visualization and analytics tool that allows users to connect to multiple data sources, transform and model data, create interactive reports and dashboards, and share insights securely. Power BI makes data easy to understand even for non-technical users. Business value number 1, data-driven decision making. One of the most important benefits of Power BI is enabling data-driven decisions. Instead of relying on guesses or static spreadsheets, users can view real-time or near real-time data, analyze trends and patterns, and compare performance against goals. This leads to better business outcomes, faster responses to issues, and increased confidence in decisions. Exam tip: if the question focuses on analyzing data or gaining insights, Power BI is the correct answer. Business value number 2, visual insights and interactive reports. Power BI transforms complex data into interactive visualizations such as charts, graphs, maps, and KPIs, key performance indicators. Users can drill down into details, filter data dynamically, explore insights on their own. This self-service capability reduces dependence on IT and makes insights accessible to everyone. Business value number 3, integration with multiple data sources. Power BI can connect to hundreds of data sources, including Excel, Microsoft Dataverse, SharePoint, SQL Server, Azure services, third-party platforms. Organizations benefit this by consolidating data from different systems, eliminating data silos, and creating a single source of truth. Exam tip: Power BI is designed to analyze and visualize data, not store it long term. Business value number 4, real-time monitoring and dashboards. Power BI supports real-time dashboards that update automatically as data changes. This is valuable for scenarios like sales performance tracking, operational monitoring, and service level metrics. Executives and managers can monitor business health at a glance and take action quickly when issues arise. Business value number 5, secure sharing and collaboration. Power BI allows reports and dashboards to be shared securely across the organization. Security features include role-based access control, integration with Microsoft Azure Active Directory, and row-level security. This ensures users only see data they are authorized to see. Sensitive information remains protected. Power BI balances collaboration with governance. Business value number 6, self-service analytics. Power BI empowers users to create their own reports without deep technical skills. With self-service analytics, business users can explore data independently. IT teams spend less time creating reports, and insights are generated faster. This accelerates innovation and improves productivity across departments. Business value number 7, scalability and enterprise readiness. Power BI scales from small teams to enterprise-wide deployments. Organizations can start with basic reporting, expand to advanced analytics, and support thousands of users securely. Power BI integrates seamlessly with other Power Platform tools, supporting long-term growth. Business value number 8, cost-effective analytics solution. Power BI provides enterprise-grade analytics at a lower cost compared to many traditional BI tools. Businesses gain powerful analytics capabilities, lower licensing and infrastructure costs, and strong return on investment. This makes Power BI accessible for both small businesses and larger enterprises. How Power BI supports digital transformation. Power BI is a critical enabler of digital transformation by making data accessible and understandable, promoting a data-driven culture, supporting continuous improvement. When combined with Power Apps, Power Automate, and Dataverse, Power BI completes the end-to-end Power Platform solution. Some of the key takeaways for the PL-900 exam. Remember that Power BI is used for data analysis and visualization. It enables data-driven decision making. It provides interactive reports and dashboards. It integrates with many data sources, and it supports secure sharing and collaboration. If the exam asks how to visualize data or gain insights, think Power BI.